Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a quick little video on something that I've had a lot of comments about. So in this week in the videos, I told you that, if you installed Patch Tuesday, a lot of you should see some of the features from Moment 3. And I give you a quick tip that if you want to check out if Moment 3 is on your PC, if you have some of the features, check if you have the ability to have the seconds on the clock. Now, remember that you have to be on 22H2, and I think some people have commented and don't realize that they're on 21H2. Moments arrive only on the latest version of Windows 11, which is 22H2. So that's very important to understand. You won't see some of the features, and you won't see some of the settings if you're not on 22H2. The other thing is, if you are on 22H2 and you don't see some of the features and the settings, of course I told you that there was a way to get them by going and enabling them in the Windows updates. And you can go in your settings, Windows Update, and turn on that little slider here that says, get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Now, it is possible that some of you still don't see it. What's weird with the moments, and we've seen it with Moment 1, we've seen it with Moment 2, features are not all there for everyone, and some of them are not there. And I guess there is a possibility that some still don't have the moments, any of the moments features enabled. And I still don't understand why Microsoft does it like that. It's, it's annoying a lot of the enthusiasts, that's for sure, because, we want it. We don't want to have half of it or a quarter of it or just one feature. We want it all. But that's not the way it's been going on with Moments right now, and it is creating some annoyances. And also it is creating a lot of problems where people have the impression that maybe they're not up to date because they don't see the features that we talk about. So don't worry if you don't have them. It's part of the game. Like I said, right-clicking the taskbar, going into the taskbar settings in Windows 11 22H2, you can go into taskbar behaviors. If you have the seconds, show seconds, you will actually have some of the features of Moment 3, that's for sure. But, not everybody has them, and not everybody has the features yet, and some of you might not even have them. It is a dumb way, I find, for Microsoft to work, but it is the way they are doing it. So hang in there. If you don't see it, it will appear. Sometimes it takes weeks. I remember in Moment 1 and even Moment 2, I think some of the features took several weeks for me to actually appear and be there finally. So it just tells you how, it sometimes you got to wait. And I don't know if it's because they're testing these features and kind of not sure, so they're just kind of throttling down a little bit and saying, we're going to test them first on a subset of users, and if it works fine, then we'll push it to everybody else. But Moment 3 is upon us, and a lot of you will see the features. Some of you will not, unfortunately. If you don't worry. You'll be okay. You'll get them at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.